Oke, bagaimana Bapak Ibu sudah terkumpul semuanya? Sudah join semua? Oh, still three students. Oh, still three people joining the class. Okay. Should I continue my presentation or should we wait for the others? Oke, Bu Dewi kayak mungkin bisa
Dilanjutkan
di
saja,
unmute.
Miss.
Oke, begitu ya. Ya, Bu Dewi mungkin di unmute.
Ya, Miss, lanjutkan saja, Miss.
Oke, baik. Oke, tadi sampai sini ya. So, I'm really sorry. So let me continue my presentation. So I have several ways for us to protect our mental health. The first one is set the time limit. So you have to use apps and reminders to manage your screen time. The second one is follow real, not perfect. It's curate your feed with positive and realistic content. The next one is connect in real life. So you have to spend more time with people who make you feel good, not just busy with your cell phone. The last one is unplug and recharge. So you have to take breaks, go outside, and do things that relax your mind, perhaps with your best friends, your family, or everyone. So you don't need a perfect fit to be enough. You are already enough. Okay? So remember, you have to balance your screen time to protect your mental health. Less scrolling and more living. Thank you. Any question? Okay, this is just a bit of the presentation. Ya, mungkin tadi karena banyak distraksi, saya agak tidak fokus, but I hope that you can do better than I do. Oke, ini hanya contoh saja. Nanti silahkan Bapak Ibu lebih bagus lagi ya. Just the example. Ini this is the example for the previous presentation. Mulai dari hook. You have to start with a hook. Hook, we have learned about hook. Okay, bisa berupa question atau mungkin something like data or for example yang emotional and then followed by opening. Ya, siapa Bapak Ibu, introduce yourself and the title of the topic, the poster. Next adalah introduction of the posters. Oke, lalu ada purpose-nya. Maksud dari poster ini untuk apa? Next one adalah you have to mention some key ideas. Jika ada dua, key idea-nya apa? Jika ada tiga, sebutkan dan explained. Tadi ada tiga di poster saya, FOMO, social in comparison, dan juga ada screen time. Lalu, you have to explain about the charge. Because I have charge in my posters. Okay? Next, how to protect mental health. Ini adalah the way to prevent anything related to your posters. And then conclusion. Ini tadi sepertinya saya kelewat ya. In conclusion, social media is useful, but it can also negatively affect our mental health if we use it too much. So we need to find balance. Remember, less scrolling, more living. Kemudian diikuti dengan closing. Thank you for your attention and do you have any questions? Nah, misalnya jika ada engagement dengan audience. Okay. So, now it's your turn. You have to work in a group of two and choose your poster to be analyzed and presented in today's meeting. Jadi, hari ini, okay, Bapak Ibu silahkan work in a group of two. Nah, I have prepared some posters. Saya share di sini. Jadi kita ada like mini presentations untuk yang pertama. Kalau besok Bapak Ibu mulai memilih the real topic and you have to make your own posters and it is individually. Okay, it's individually. Kalau hari ini silahkan berkelompok dua-dua. Okay, misalnya how many people do we have right now?
Six.
We have six. Oh, Pak Nurnya belum join.
Belum.
Belum ya? Okay, for example, I'm going to share the link, everything of the PowerPoint and also the poster after this. Ini misalnya the first one adalah marriage in Islam. Okay, so right and responsibilities in family life. Ini tadi maunya saya tuh satu sebetulnya. Saya siapkan posternya banyak, tetapi we don't have much time. So work in a group of two. Next adalah good communication, strong family, respecting parents. Education begins at home, solving family problem through discussion, kindness and respect in marriage, solving. Oh, ini sama. Sorry. And honesty, the foundation of a strong family, and technology and family time, finding balance. Okay, saya share. Jadi boleh dipilih salah satu.
For the groups, do we choose
This is for
ourselves or
yeah.
will the be
You can
assigned?
say yourself. Okay, this one. Wait a second. You can choose the group member by yourself and also the topic.
Mhm.
Okay, I have sent the link. I don't have the files with me. Linknya ada nggak untuk PowerPoint-nya dan juga link untuk posternya, jadi bisa dilihat lebih detail di Zoom. If it is too crowded, you can make your own simpler than this one. Ini hanya contoh, jadi mungkin Bapak Ibu nanti untuk posternya usahakan lebih bagus dari ini. Oke? Okay? What do you think? You want to do it in a group or individually? It's just like a mini presentation.
I I want to individually, but tapi jika yang lainnya mau kelompok nggak apa-apa. Kalau saya individually nggak apa-apa.
Oke, ini hanya untuk ini ya, cuma untuk just mini practice. But
Mhm.
for the meeting, you have to do it individually. Oke, jadi ini hanya mini practice. Bapak Ibu kalau mau sendiri boleh, in group juga boleh.
Hmm.
I will try with Miss Wahyu. Can I?
Sure. Bu
Oke.
Amang ya?
Yes,
Mhm.
Miss.
Kelompokan sama saya tak Bu Amah?
Yes, Miss Wahyu.
Bentar ya tak bukanya. Masih loading.
For Pak Nur Ali join, he will reject that I'm with you in one group.
It's okay. Hmm.
Okay, so what about the others? Pak Zardan, Pak Agung, Bu Dewi. It's okay if you wanted to try it by yourself.
If Vida, I'm sorry, I want to ask something.
Yeah.
We must discuss in this room or we have breakout room.
Oh, what do you think? Which one is better?
Because when we are in the breakout room, we can coordination with each other.
Okay, sure. Boleh. Oke, monggo. Ini nanti tinggal mungkin menambahkan like the opening, the purpose, a hook, gitu. Jangan lupa the hook as the opening, lalu ditambahkan introduction, lalu ada purpose, ya. Semua hal yang ada di poster ini boleh disampaikan gitu Bapak Ibu, ya. Karena ini juga ada intinya. For example, this one, education begins at home. Family is the first place where children learns value, behavior, and life skills. Ideasnya ada tiga. Ini great family, great learners. Nah, kemudian ada charge. You have to just explain the charge. What is it about? Tentang apa, relationship tentang apa, lalu penjelasannya, everyday moment, the educate, talk with love, dan sebagainya. Ini sekecil ini semua ada intinya, ya. Boleh disampaikan. Oke. Nah, Talk with respect, listen with care, solve with love, strong families, peaceful home. Ini semuanya ada isinya. Jadi boleh dibahas nanti. Oke? So, untuk breakout roomnya bagaimana? Membuat sendiri ya apa gimana?
Bentar, saya buatkan breakout room ya.
Oke,
Uh,
boleh. Yang
maybe
lain?
Miss,
Iya.
maybe the breakout room can apply. Maybe you can give us a time. Maybe like
Yes, of course.
give you 30
Within
minutes.
15
We
minutes.
out from this group, this Zoom. After
Mhm.
after that, in that time, we will join again this room, this Zoom.
Sure. Yeah, 15 minutes, okay? What about the others? Untuk Bu Dewi, Pak Zahra, dan Pak Agung, kelompoknya bagaimana? You want to do
Yes,
it by
Miss.
yourself or with a
Mhm.
group?
Oke, saya mulai bagi breakout room ya. Untuk room yang pertama itu Bu Ama with me, and then room yang kedua siapa?
Hah? Bu Ama kok sama Bu Ayu?
Sudah di ACC sama Miss Mida, Miss Dewi. I'm sorry.
Oh,
To
oke.
one group for this.
Oke,
Siap,
Zoom.
oke.
oke, oke, sebentar ya. Ini untuk yang room kedua siapa sama siapa? Bu
Wes,
Lita
aku
sama
gak apa-apa
siapa?
wes, Mbak Jardan. Wes, gak apa-apa Jardan ya, kita berdua
Dewi
ya.
sama Pak Zardan.
Oke.
Oke.
Oh,
Room ketiga.
Itu
Room
Bu Lita
ketiga,
sama Pak Agung.
Bu Lita sama Pak Agung ya. Oke.
ya.
Aku rakur, gak boleh tukaran.
Oke.
Oke.
Oke. Pak
Bentar.
Nurnya sudah belum ada nggih, Pak Nurnya nggih?
Pak Nurnya sepertinya sedang itu. Persiapan sholat Jumat. Bentar.
Oh, 10 mungkin beliaunya ini mengisi khutbah kah? Nggih.
Iya mungkin. Saya pindah ke breakout room dulu, nggih, Miss. Terima kasih.
Okay. Oh, by the way, the poster, which one do you choose? Yang mana? Nanti tengok.
Oh iya, sebentar saya keluarkan mereka semua. Oke, sebentar 60 detik lagi. Lah kok lupa gitu loh. Bentar ya Bu Ama ya.
Yes, Miss Wahyu.
Yang lainnya.
With minute.
Oke. Ini tinggal milih ini loh Bu Ama. Yang lainnya kok belum ini.
Oh,
7.
it's okay. Mungkin bisa
Oh
di
ini sudah. 5 detik lagi. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ya. Oke. Bapak Ibu
okay.
lupa memilih
The topic.
topiknya. Pak, untuk kelompoknya Bu siapa namanya? Bu Dewi mau kelompok ya mau poster yang mana Bu Dewi?
Leh, aku lo belum sempat ngomong udah balik.
Iya, Jen, memang tak tutup. Sampean itu,
No, we
sampean
haven't
pilih dulu.
started. Belum.
Heeh.
Belum.
Bu Dewi pilih mana untuk
Itu
posternya?
kayak kindness and respect in marriage itu.
Oke.
Oke.
Terus yang lainnya, Pak Agung sama Bu Lita mau yang mana?
Yang itu aja, yang kedua aja, Bu.
Yang
Panggungnya
kedua.
tadi nggak tahu keluar.
Iya, memang sudah
Yang
keluar kan?
kedua. Oh, ini ya.
Ya, nggak apa-apa ya, Bagong ya.
Siap.
Yang
Wes
dua.
ya.
Number
Yes.
2.
Wait,
Acting
apa
married.
namanya?
Oke, Bu Ama mau poster yang mana Bu Ama? Nggak kedengeran. Nggak kedengeran, Bu Ama.
Masih di mute, Bu Ama?
Wait. I just calling Mr. Nur Ali.
Oh, oke.
Miss Wahyu, you can choose what you want and I will follow you. I'm in one space with you.
Oke, aku sih milih iku loh, angel loh ya.
It's okay. More Angel is more experience.
Oh, ini loh, Bapak Nur Ali bilang, mohon izinkan saya dapat tugas apa ini? Sepertinya Pak Nur Ali izin.
Oke.
Oke, baik ya. Kita mulai lagi masuk ke roomnya masing-masing. Kita open all room again.
What
Silahkan.
about Wahyu? So what's your topic then? What's your topic, Wahyu and Bu Ama?
Saya belum sempat buka. Nanti mungkin kejutan.
Oh iya sih. Karena kan sudah ketahuan punya Bu Dewi dengan ini ya, panggungnya jelas tadi ya.
Iya.
Oke. Oke, silahkan. 15 minutes.
Ama, ama, ini. Bu Ama, tiu.
Yes, Miss Wahyu, which one
Oke, kita
of
pilih yang
poster
postur
you
nomor
choose?
7 ya.
Okay. What kind of the poster? What the title?
Aduh, iki lo ceritanya adalah sedih aku tuh. Macet,
Kenapa Miss Wahyu?
macet.
Oh,
Kindness and respect in marriage.
okay.
Saya zoomkan begini, dan begini. Mari kita itu bikin apanya namanya? Transkrip presentasinya.
Yeah.
Mm-mm.
But in my screen, I cannot see your face, Miss Wahyu, or
Uh-huh.
your screen.
Uh-uh. Saya tunggu. Tunggu. Oh, apakah ini sudah terlihat?
Not yet.
Nggak tahu ini kok tiba-tiba loh.
Masih nge-lag. Gak apa-apa, wis.
Masih mengelak sepertinya. Betul sekali.
Heeh.
Yes, oke.
Sambil
Yang ini Bu, yang ini. Poster yang ini. Sopo iki chat iki? Start video.
aku.
Oh ya, heeh. Yang ini Bu Ama. Untuk
Nah, ini
hmm,
masuk.
masuk ya. Pick out
Masuk.
siapa ini?
Oke.
Bu Nadila. Bu Nadila ini sama siapa sendirian berarti wis. Oke.
Kindness and respect in marriage. In Islam, a strong marriage is built through kindness, mutual respect, and understanding between husband and wife. 3 pillars of a strong marriage. First, respectful communication. Second, kind action. Third, cooperation. And live with them in kindness. Quran, An-Nisa 19. A happy marriage is not about perfection, but about appreciation. A peaceful family begins with small acts of kindness and respectful communication every day. Communication quality versus family harmony. High communication quality, high family harmony. The better we communicate, the stronger and more
Enaknya Bu Ama
harmonious
dulu apa
our
saya
family.
dulu ini nanti?
Kita bagi jenengan nyampaikan apa, terus terakhirnya apa gitu.
Oke. Bu Ama mau yang mana?
Opening nggak apa-apa, opening and the first and second topic and the last topic is you maybe.
Oke.
Opening
And
and first topiknya apa, Miss Bayu? Ini tah, the three pillars. Three pillars.
Iya, 3 pilar itu. Sik.
And then second one, maybe the quotes itu kita jelasin sedikit maybe ya.
Mm-mm. Oke. Itu kan ada hooknya ya. Pertama kan ada hooknya gitu kan.
Heeh.
Sik. Saya bikin ini, bikin draft presentasinya. Oke.
Oke.
Tak kirimkan
Ini
ke
kan
dunia.
WA kan saya ya.
Oke. Itu
Mm.
tapi saya pakai nama Alex sama Bella. Jadi nggak mau Alexnya
It's
apa
okay.
Bella?
Okay, I will read
Sik.
first.
Tak indikan dulu. Oke, coba.
15 minutes left.
Oke,
Mm.
saya yang megang breakout roomnya kok. Tenang.
Oh, aman ya.
Aman. Pilar 3 cooperation. Closing. Ini dia. Tak kirim ke chat ya, Bu ya?
Iya, chat di Zoom ini apa di chat WA?
WA
Wahyu.
dong. Chat Wapri biasa.
Oke.
Saya gitu, Pak Nur.
Oke.
Iya, Pak Nur.
Saya
Telepon
sudah
wong
standby. Kenapa Pak Nur, Bu?
itu nggak tahu ini tadi minta diituin, diizinkan tak balas iya
Di
telepon wong. Hmm.
soalnya tadi tak telepon.
Thread. Hmm. Tadi kenapa Bu Ama nggak ikut Bu Ama yang pertama? Ngantuk.
Jangan, Bu.
Wes, ini Bu Ama untuk draft presentasinya.
Oke.
Jenengan mau yang apa itu namanya? Mau yang Alex apa Bella?
Alex kayaknya.
Alex ya, oke aku Bella. Oke, silakan di.
Ayo coba A. Langsung coba A, Bu Wahyu.
Oke. Nggak stop share.
Oke.
Iki loh Bu, aku gak kelihatan astaga. Gak apa-apa wes.
Ya,
Mulai.
wes.
Oke, mulai ya.
Yuk.
Pertama.
1, 2, 3.
Ah.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are from
Waalaikumsalam
group 1.
warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
We
Mm-mm.
want to presentation about kindness and respect in marriage.
Mm-mm.
Imagine. Oh, lali, kurang perkenalan. Rek. My name is Amarilis Khairunisa and I am here with my friend.
Wahyu Gustini Andriani, and we are mm,
So here we go. Imagine waking up every morning next to someone who makes you feel truly seen, heard, and valued. No arguments from last night, no cold shoulders, just peace.
now imagine the opposite. The opposite, a home full of tension, silence, and unspoken words. Which one do you want to live in?
Okay, the difference between those two homes is not luck. It's not about finding the perfect person. It comes down to two simple things, kindness and respect.
Today, we are going to share with you what Islam teaches about building a strong, lasting marriage and how you can start applying it right now.
Okay. Now, I will start from part 1, the foundation.
Oh, nggak usah
In
pakai
Islam.
Bu Amah, nggak usah pakai part one, langsung in Islam gitu aja.
Oke, gitu.
Heeh.
Maksudnya foundation-nya juga kita nggak perlu sampaikan, Bu.
Nggak perlu, langsung aja in Islam gitu.
Oh, oke. Oke, soalnya biasanya takutnya Miss Mida kayak Where's the transition kayak gitu.
Oh, gitu.
Gak apa-apa wes.
Nggak usah ya.
Ya, gak usah langsung aja. Right
Terus,
now, in Islam, marriage is not just a contract between two people. It is a covenant. Covenant. Apa Bu Wahyu ini bacanya, Bu?
yang mana?
It is a covenant. Covenant.
Covenant. Covenant.
Covenant.
Okay.
Covenant.
Covenant.
It is a covenant built on mercy and love. The Quran describes a spouse as a Carmen or Carmen for each other. Think about that.
Covenant.
Itu buat apa? Covenant.
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 Okay.
A
Carmen, Bu. Carmennya itu
Carmen covers, protects, and brings comfort. That's exactly what a good spouse should do. And the Prophet Muhammad gave us very clear benchmark. He said, "The best of you are those who best to their wives." Tirmizi.
being the best doesn't mean being perfect. It means being consistent in how you treat your partner with kindness, with respect, and with patience.
So, what does a strong marriage actually look like in practice? We've identified 3 pillars. Let's break them down together. Pillar 1. Respectful communication.
First, respectful communication. Listen with patience, speak with kindness, and always value each other's feelings. It sounds simple, but how many of us actually do this when we're tired, stressed, or upset?
Research actually backs this up. The better the communication quality in a family, the higher the family harmony. It's a direct relationship, no shortcuts. 2. Kind action.
Second,
Bu ya, yang
kindness.
itu ya. Second, kind
Pillar.
action. Itu kayaknya jangan bilang ya. Oh, aku ya.
Oh,
Pillar 2. Itu enaknya gimana? Kita baca second, kind action atau pillar 2 gitu.
Kayaknya pillar 2 aja.
Oke,
Pillar 2. Jadi aku secondnya nggak usah baca lagi ya, Bi.
Oke. Pillar
Langsung.
2.
Aku juga
Kind
first nggak
action.
tak baca.
Oke. Kind
The
action.
Quran says, The Quran says in Surah An-Nisa verse 90 ya.
90 sangat puluh.
90 lah 90. 19. Live with them in kindness. Not just talk about kindness, live it every day.
Small acts matter more than grand gestures. Making tea for your spouse, sending a thoughtful message, saying thank you. These small moments build a deep sense of trust and emotional connection over time.
Build-nya build aja, Bu. Gak usah Bu.
Oke, build. Oke. Moments build a deep. Oke. Siap, Mama. Pillar 3.
Okay.
Cooperation.
A marriage is not a competition. You are not on opposite teams. You are on the same team. Work together, support each other, and solve problems with wisdom and empathy.
Now, you might be thinking, this is beautiful, but where do I even start? The answer is simpler than you think.
Start with 3 things today. Number 1, say kind words. Not tomorrow, not when the mood is right, but today. 1 sincere compliment, 1 word of appreciation.
Number 2, show respect in all situations, especially in disagreements, because anyone can be kind when things are easy. The real test is how we treat each other when things are hard.
And number 3, Choose understanding over pride. Let go of the need to always be right. A happy marriage is not about winning arguments. It's about growing together.
As someone once beautifully said, a happy marriage is not about perfection, but about appreciation. Appreciate your partner for who they are, not who you wish they were.
A peaceful family begins with small acts of kindness and respectful communication every single day, not once in a while, but every day.
Kind
Kind,
words,
1, 2, 3. Kind
kind
heart,
words,
respectful
respectful
words,
words, strong God together.
strong together.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much for your attention. We're open for any questions.
Oke,
Say,
Alhamdulillah kita
we are.
kembali.
Yeah, let's rock the world.
Close all room. A whole new world.
Okay. How is it, Bapak Ibu? Have you done?
Yes, Miss. Inshallah, we are ready
Okay,
for
you ready?
presentation.
Yeah, you ready? We'll be the first presenter, the first group to present.
Ini saya mohon maaf, kayaknya kamera saya agak-agak ini sebentar ya.
Oh, okay.
Sebentar
That's
ya.
agak gelap.
Integrated.
Bentar.
Pakai
Okay,
integrated camera kok. Data. Dah ya, hitam. Sorry.
okay. Sebentar mau ini baterainya habis.
Mm-mm. Mm-mm.
Okay, so yeah, we'll be the first presenters. Oh wow, ini sudah pukul 1.10 ya, 10:01. Okay.
Oke. Siapa yang mau duluan?
Oh, Pak Faisal, welcome. It's 10 o'clock. Where have you been?
I just finished my religion lecture to mom. I'm sorry,
Okay,
schedule
so-
speech.
Oh, I see. So actually, our activity today is having like a mini presentation of a poster. But for the next meeting, it's your job to make your own poster based on the topic that I will give you in the next meeting, and then you need to present it individually in the next 2 meetings. Okay, that's it. That's the point. But today, ini kebetulan Bapak Ibu tadi sudah kerja kelompok, and they are ready to present a poster. So the first one, we have kindness and respect in marriage. Is it Budewi's group?
No, Miss. The first group, me and Miss Wahyu.
And Wahyu, very good. Okay, so yeah, time is yours.
Thank you, Miss. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Good morning, everyone. We are from Group 1. And today I will presenting about our poster with title Kindness and Respect in Marriage. My name is Amarus Khairunisa and my friends.
Wahyu Kustini Andriani.
Okay. And here we go. Imagine waking up every morning next to someone who makes you feel truly seen, heard, and valued. No arguments from last night, no cold shoulders, just peace.
Now, imagine the opposite, a home full of tension, silence, and unspoken words. Which one do you want to live in?
The difference between those two homes is not lack. It's not about finding the perfect person. It comes down to two simple things, kindness and...
Today, we are going to share with you what Islam teaches about building a strong, lasting marriage and how you can start applying it right now.
In Islam, marriage is not just a contract between two people. It is a covenant built on mercy and love. The Quran describes a spouse as a garment for each other. Think about